Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renisha. Today I'm going to be talking about my journey for Teach for America. I did apply for Teach for America back in December of 2023, and in February I was notified that I was invited to interview with Teach for America. I was very enthusiastic about that. And then in March, I was informed that I was accepted for Teach for America. So I did decide that I would be accepting a position in Las Vegas, Nevada for Teach for America. With that position, I'll be working with pre-K through second grade, and I'll also be enrolling with the University of Las Vegas, Nevada to pursue a master's degree in teaching in early childhood education. That is an alternative route program that is 1 year, so I'll be starting that in June, and then I'll be graduating in the summer of 2025. I am really looking forward to joining Teach for America. I moved to Las Vegas in 2021 with a passion for community service with AmeriCorps. I served for 1 year with that program, and then I've been substitute teaching in Las Vegas for the last 3 years. And I'm very excited to give back to my community. I'll be still working for the same school district, the Clark County School District here in Las Vegas, and I'll be updating you guys throughout this journey. I'm going to be enrolling in UNLV for the summer term, so I'll be doing lots of classes. So I'll keep you updated throughout the process. Thank you for joining my channel and watching my journey. If you have any questions about joining Teach for America, comment down below and I'll feel free to answer them for you at any time. One major benefit of Teach for America is the Siegel Education Award, which is $6,400 per year that goes towards your education or student loans that you have. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to go for Teach for America, as well as being able to give back to my community and work with kids. I've been an educator for over 10 years, and I just feel like it's time for me to get my master's in teaching and continue my journey in education. Thank you for your time.